Welcome to our show, Future Trends. Today, the mystery of time slits, a quantum leap into physics. Hello, physics enthusiasts and science buffs. Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the enigmatic depths of quantum mechanics. Today, we're exploring a groundbreaking discovery that has the potential to turn our understanding of light and matter on its head. Brace yourselves as we embark on a journey through the double-slit experiment with a twist. This time, it's all about slits in time. Back in 1801, Thomas Young revealed to us that light behaves like a wave when it passes through two parallel slits. Decades later, we discovered that particles such as electrons and atoms also exhibit wave-like behavior. These observations have fundamentally altered our view of the universe and laid the foundation for quantum mechanics. Now, physicists from Imperial College London have taken the famous experiment into a new dimension, that of time. Imagine this: mirrors that switch on and off at lightning speeds, creating temporal openings for light to pass through. And yes, we witness interference here too, but instead of bright and dark bands, the light changes its frequency, its color. But that's not all. Indium tin oxide, a material we're familiar with from our smartphone displays, plays a key role in this phenomenon. It reacts 100 times faster to light than previously thought, allowing us to manipulate light in ways that were once purely theoretical. This experiment not only paves the way for a new class of materials that we might call temporal metamaterials, but also foresees a future where light is used for data processing faster and more efficient than anything we currently know. Now it's your turn. What do you think could be the future applications of such temporal metamaterials? Could this be the first step toward technology that we've only known in science fiction so far? Share your most creative ideas and thoughts in the comments below. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to not miss out on any more science adventures. We look forward to your comments, and until next time, stay curious.